Hey model fans, it's Brian here. New sound for new earphones. First of all, I'm showing you a 201 class logo from Irish Rail, from Aaron Road Down. First of all, it's Murphy's models, and at the moment now it's showing you the 229 Aaron Road Down, as you can see. I'm sorry, the camera's a bit blurry. Goes in autofocus now in a minute. The detail of the model is the Intercity silver and green and yellow, as you can see. Intercity, it's a River Main. The detailed undercarriage, the tanks are separate than the original Nima model that I have one upstairs. The fuel tank, great detail, everything is separate as it was in the original models. Sorry, just the camera's a bit blurry when you're moving. So there's the undercarriage, the top of the logo. So just focus in there now. The door has the handrails. Great little model. Dear enough, but it's worth the investment, as I work for Irish Rail. Just swing the model around to the front, you can see. Hang on. There's the side view of the logo. See how long it is. As long as the English one, the class 77. So we start thinking is in the way. I'll just turn the model box around. The detail of the front, detail of the front is the handrails, the lights, the hose, the couplers. It's a bit twisted at the moment because I'm at the moment now testing the loco in my new layout. Detail of the loco is deep yellow, nice yellow logo. Red. I'm going to attach the little lights that you see on the little white lights from Des Sullivan's models. The little white lamps with the red light for attachments for the trailers. And there's the logo there, a bit blurry at the moment. And the boxes, Murphy models. There's a picture of the 201. Paddy Murphy's website, customer service website. There's the customer service if you're looking at who he is. Good friend of mine as well. He's a model maker. I deal with him for making models for Irish Rail. He's commissioned by myself by Irish Rail. We're both commissioned for making models for Irish Rail. So I may as well turn around the box. There's your place wall. Showing there, you can see the signs. The detailed design, size of the sign. A bit blurry at the moment because this is where the speaker is for this loco. The thing for the exhaust, great detail. And where the microchip goes into. The microchip goes into this little box here. Where I'm pointing the stick, you can see. Or stick, not the other thing. And there's the exhaust. This pin here is where the speaker is. And the next model I have is interesting. Is the Darpol. The Darpol paddy wagon, or pocket wagon, as you can say. Just you can see it through the plastic. I'll give you a picture of the logo while I take the pocket wagon out of the packet. Or bloody models. So wait a while. Put that down there for a sec. Oh, heavy beast. Now, here's another little investment. A bit blurry at the moment, so hold on, I'll just hold it up. Here is a bit dark at the moment because it's weathered. The base wall. If you see some of it is it's too blurry at the moment, so hold on. No, I have wires in the way so the camera. Now there's there on better see it on the table. Right. That's the pocket wagon for the containers. At the moment now waiting to get the bell container. There's the model of the loco 201. There's the little model of the train. And there's the model of the pocket wagon. Bit blurry, but tell you when it sees on the model later in the near future. You get the tracks. Hoping now to go to the model show in the end of this month in Dublin. I live in Clare. So basically, well, there's the 201. And much better detail on the tail. Let's show you how detailed the train is and what it's worth for its investment.